Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk about how to actually master Forex trading. Okay, so if you're a beginner, I am certain that you would have actually tried and tried and tried in order to see what you can do to actually master this particular industry, because it's quite difficult. That's to be very, very sincere. From the start, you might think it's going to be easy. Is it not just for you to click a buy and sell button? But now, after you've spent some time with it, you found out that it's not as easy as you think. So, personally, I'm just going to give you two things. There are more than two, definitely. A lot of things come into play. But I just want to give you the two major things that's going to help you master Forex trading. Okay, so the very first one is discipline. You have to be disciplined. If you're not disciplined, this is not for you. Okay, this requires discipline, a lot of discipline. All right, so discipline in what sense? Discipline in following your trading plan. Okay, so that implies you should even have a trading plan. So the very first thing, discipline. You have to be disciplined. Aside from following your trading plan, you have to be disciplined to do a lot of back testing on your strategy. If you're not disciplined, you won't go far. Okay, so a lot of back testing has to be done. It's gonna take discipline for you to be able to calm down and do the back testing. What is back testing going to help you with? Back testing will help you fine tune your strategy. Okay, it will help you fine tune your strategy for you to have an idea of how your strategy has played out, in the past. Okay, so discipline is very, very important if you want to master. In fact, aside from forex trading, if you want to master anything, you would need discipline. Okay, so discipline is the very first thing you need. You need discipline to study. Okay, there are books you need to study, psychology books. A lot of things. That is going to come into play when you're trying to actually master this particular industry. So if you're a disciplined person, you are good to go. Now the next thing you actually need, and let me talk a little bit more about discipline. You need to be disciplined to follow your trading plan. I wanted to talk about it, but it almost skipped my mind. So your trading plan is what you need to see before you actually enter the market. For those that don't know what a trading plan is, your trading plan tells you exactly what you need to see. Your trading plan helps you make your trading mechanical. So it tells you what you need to see. Maybe a particular high has to be broken, and there should be a retest of the level that is broken. It gives you steps. It gives you things you need to see, confluences that need to be on the table before you pull the trigger to actually buy or sell. Okay, so you must be disciplined to follow what is in your trading plan. So if A and B must be on the chart before you actually click a buy or sell button. Okay, and only A has appeared, but because your emotions and your mind is kind of playing tricks on you, and you're feeling, oh, you just need to enter, and B is not yet on the chart. If you enter the trade, you have exhibited great level of indiscipline. All right, and you're going to learn the hard way if that is the case for you. So you must be ready to follow your trading plan to the letter. If only A is on the chart, don't trade until B is also on the chart. Alright, A and B can be on the chart and you still lose, but that's a good trade because it's a trade where you followed your strategy. So that will help you to give you data of how good your strategy is because you followed it to the letter. So you can now go back during your back testing and reviewing of your trades. You go back and check where could you actually tweak your strategy for it to be more efficient. Now this is something a lot of traders don't know about. They feel all the strategies are set in stone. No, you can actually tweak some strategies depending on your own. It's someone that developed the strategy too. Okay, so depending on your own ideology, your own experience, what you can see playing out, what can you do, what are the trades to avoid, what are the circumstances surrounding the trades that you won and the circumstances surrounding the trades that you lost. So that will give you an idea of how you might be able to reduce and avoid the bad trades. Okay, that also comes with discipline. Okay, you have to be disciplined to do the work. Okay, not just to take the strategy as it was given to you and that's the only thing you're working with. That's the first way it should be. If someone gives a strategy, you have to work with it the way it was given to you. But on your own part, to show your seriousness and your commitment, you need to check out the trades that you lost and try to see if there is anything you could have changed, if there is any pattern you can see that made you lose that trade. That way you can cut down your losses and probably increase your win rate. Okay, so quickly let me go to the second thing. The second thing is consistency. Okay, consistency. You need to be consistent with how you approach the market. You need to be consistent. Don't use one strategy today, another strategy tomorrow, another strategy the following day. That is not going to get you anywhere. You need to be consistent with the way you approach the market. Okay, over a period of time, you need to use a particular strategy. All right, I can understand if you're trying so many strategies because you are a beginner. It's because you have not found the one that resonates with you, the one that gives you the kind of results that you want. That is understandable. We all went through that. I, for one, if I really seriously want to grow an account, I don't trade outside the master strategy. That's the only strategy I use, and that's my premium strategy. Okay, but if I want to experiment, I can be using some other strategies just to see the win rates of the other strategies. But if I seriously want to grow an account, I only use the master strategy, which is my premium strategy, and I have a trading plan for it, which I follow to the letter. So if you have not gotten to that level where you have a particular strategy that you use most of the time, you follow it consistently, that's what you engage the market with when you seriously want to make, when you want to grow an account, then you are not on the route to being a master at forex trading yet. Okay, you're more or less like you're still experimenting, which is not bad. It's from the experimenting that you find out which one is better for you. Okay, then you use it for a while, then out of your consistency of using it, you start noticing some patterns around the winning trades and some patterns around the losing trades. So that will help you with your fine-tuning, as I've said before. Okay, which will help you sharpen your edge and increase your win rates. So basically, once I've gotten to that level, it's just rinse and repeat. You keep repeating, sharpening, making it better. That's just what it is. It doesn't end. You continue like that. Okay, so basically that's what I have for you today. If you got any value, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.